Okay, in today's video, I'm just going to go over Tesla again because we're going to talk about why it's important to have a trading plan with specifics as far as what you're going to do with these trade setups. So we talked about the fact that the aggressive swing trade trigger fired off yesterday after we tested and held above the 323, 325 area of support. And you can see that here it did trigger because it had the moving average crossover. It also took out a prior swing high, but you just didn't get any follow through. Now, depending on how you've written up your trading plan, you either had your stop underneath the recent low, and if you did, you would have been stopped out today because, you know, this is not giving us the follow through that we wanted to see. But if you wrote up your trading plan and said that my stop is going to be underneath the low end of the zone, then you won't be stopped out just yet. But one of the things that you may want to consider is that, you know, we did look at this on the flip side as far as the resistance that we needed to clear if this low was going to be any good, and we just didn't do it, okay? If you measured 100% of this prior rally swing from here, that's where you get the 333 area. If you also ran 100% of this prior rally swing, we didn't get through that resistance. So anyway, it is typically a safer bet to wait for the not so aggressive trade trigger. But hey, you know what? If you took the aggressive one because you really thought Tesla might take off again and you got knocked out, did you risk a ridiculous amount of money? I don't think so for what the potential reward would be. So I am going to look at this one again in the next few trading sessions, actually after we have a nice long weekend. Hope everybody enjoys their holiday. But that's, you know, one that I will still look at a pullback on because of, you know, this daily pullback that starts to look a little bit similar to some of these prior swings. And also we had recently taken out this prior swing high, and typically when something like that happens, you do want to watch this next pullback for a possible resumption of the rally. When am I wrong? Well, if it breaks the zones that I've placed the bets against.